Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. For today's recipe, it is chicken biryani. In Indonesia, we also have biryani. Of course, it's influenced by the original country, which is India. This following biryani, though, it's the way I cook at home, the one that worked, the one that my boys, especially my youngest, would want to eat because he's a bit fussy when it's too much spices. Indonesian food, Asian food, too much spices and sauces, he doesn't really like it because to him it's too wet. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! Now you can either cube or dice or thinly slice your English cucumber, it's up to you. And you can even use just half of the cucumber, again it's up to you. Place the cucumber into a bowl. Now we're gonna add some plain yogurt, some salt, some cumin, and some coriander leaves. And if you want some chili powder too, cayenne powder. And if you want a little bit of lemon juice as well. So mix it nicely. And we're gonna chill it before we serve it with our chicken and rice. So this is 2 to 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil with 1 medium to large size onion that you just dice or chop, and a thumb of ginger. You can use ginger paste, but this is fresh ginger. We're just gonna turn on the turn on the stove, and we're gonna saute it. So just saute until until onions are softened. My God, my mind is everywhere. Keep making mistakes. Once softened, add in your tomato. And we're gonna stir it again. Now drop in 2 to 3 star anise, 2 green pods of cardamom, and this one, I hope you can see, this is called white kapol putih in Indonesian. It's gonna be fragrant right away, so add in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, half teaspoon of cumin powder. Now we're gonna add in our cube chicken. So what I have is 1.4 kilogram of cube chicken, almost 1.5. And just stir it to coat. Now add in 1 pouch of the seasoning mix. And coat the chicken again. And you want to keep stirring until most of the chicken's whitish, turn in color, half cooked. Once most chicken are whitish or half cooked, add in yogurt, 1 heaping cup of yogurt, and about 200 milliliter of water, and continue boiling. Now, if you want like the way authentic biryani would be, where they boil the rice along with the broth, you can definitely. So you can add either half-cooked rice or raw rice rinse into your pot and just keep boiling it until the broth totally lessen and gone and the rice cooked, fluffy cooked. But you need to always stir it. You always have to check it. So what I do is that I just make this somewhat like, you know, brothy, and I cook rice separately, and later on I mix it, the rice with the chicken. The reason beside that I'm lazy standing near my pot to stir it is that my youngest likes it like that. He likes the rice kind of white rice, regular white rice with a little bit broth on the rice. So this is how my youngest eat it. He doesn't like it to be mixed.